Welcome to Kurt and Mingsha's journey. This is Kurt.
That's Mingsha.
欢迎来到 Kurt 和明霞的人生旅程。
On this channel, we'll talk about going from full-time work to mostly full-time play.
We want to share with you how we prepare for retirement, what we are doing now, and what we plan for the future.
After nearly 40 years, I'm set to walk away from working in sales.
I had been working full-time until a couple years ago. Now I'm semi-retired, and I plan to retire next year.
On this channel, we'll share our hobbies, travel experiences, and adventures. Some of my interests include motorcycling, general fitness, local sports teams, especially the Warriors.
I like reading a lot, especially about history. I also like hiking, biking, and dancing. Part of the dance team that we practice dance every Friday night. I'm also taking piano lessons, and I love travel a lot.
Kurt and I bought a camper van in early 2023. On this video, we'd like to share our second RV camping trip to New Bullards Bar Reservoir. New Bullards Bar Reservoir is an hour and a half away from home and located at the foothills of Tahoe National Forest. We booked a campsite for 2 nights at the Schoolhouse Campground. Just going to fill the clean water tank before we go. As soon as we arrived and set up our camp, we started to hike. Bullards Bar Reservoir has 20 miles long hiking trails along the lake shoreline. We enjoyed the lake very much. Back from hiking that evening, we cooked up dinner and set up a fire at the fire pit. In the early morning of the second day, we awoke by noise near the campground. Later, we found out that there was a hot-shot half marathon going on the Bullards Bar Trail. We went to an aid station to cheer for the runners, and Kurt was considering to participate in next year. Later that afternoon, we hiked more along the lake. that evening, we built another campfire and had some peaceful time under the star. On the third day, before we headed home, we had more hiking done. The lake was so beautiful because the contrast between the red and orange color of the lake bed and the blue lake water. It was just such a beautiful lake. Here is a summary on Schoolhouse Campground fees and amenities.
We'll document every trip and share with you. We'll also share with you our other hobbies.
If you enjoy the videos, hit the like button and please subscribe.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.
欢迎关注和订阅，谢谢观看，下次再见。